everyone, I'm Miss Megan from GrowingGreat, and today we'll be doing the Thirsty People activity, where we develop our own fruity drink without any added sugar. So let's see what we need to get started. For this activity, you will need granulated sugar, a soda, an energy drink, sparkling water with no sugar added, an orange, something to juice your orange with, a knife for the adult to use, 1 teaspoon measure, and 3 cups. So let's get started. To begin this activity, have your child predict how much added sugar they think is in the energy drink and the soda. Which do they think will have more or less? So now let's take a closer look at our sport drink label, and we can see here we have 34 grams of added sugars, and then if we go over to our soda, we can see that we have 33 grams of added sugars there. Now, one quick helpful hint, be sure to also have your children investigate what the serving size is, as sometimes a single bottle is 2 servings, meaning it may have twice as much sugar as it lists down here. And now we can see both of ours are just a single serving. Now it's time to do a little bit of math. I don't have a gram scale in my kitchen, so I converted grams to a measurement I do have, a teaspoon. Now, let's take a closer look at how I converted grams of sugar to teaspoons. First, I found that there are 4.2 teaspoons of sugar in every gram. Next, I took the total amount of sugar in my sports drink, 34 grams, and divided by 4.2. And I found that that gives me 8.1 teaspoons of sugar in my sports drink. Now we'll use this same equation for our soda, which had 33 grams. We divide that by 4.2 teaspoons per gram, and that gives us 7.86 teaspoons of sugar in our soda. Now, if you're not familiar with division problems like these, you can also always use a calculator to help you. For this next part of the activity, have your child use the teaspoon measure to scoop out the appropriate number of teaspoons into each cup. I'll start with the sports drink, which we remember had 8.1 teaspoons. You can also round to make things easier, so I'll be scooping 8 teaspoons. And next, I'll scoop 7.8 teaspoons. That might be hard too, so I'll probably scoop just about 8, but leave the last one just a little underfilled. And that's for our soda. So here we can see that much sugar is dissolved into this sport drink. And for our soda, we have almost the same amount, just slightly less, dissolved into this container. So now, we're going to make our own fizzy, delicious orange drink that will give us plenty of energy and even some sugar. But this time, it'll be the natural sugar from an orange. So to get started, have an adult help you cut your orange. Next, we're ready to juice our orange into the 3rd cup. If you don't have a juicer available, you can also squeeze by hand, and it doesn't have to be oranges. Use any fruit you have available at your house. So now, to give this drink a little fizz, we're going to add our soda water. So now there's just one step left. Try out your concoction. That is delicious. Now, I used fresh orange juice for our activity today, but you can use any fruit you have available at your house, even canned fruit like canned mandarins. Just be sure that there's no added sugar in whatever you choose. I hope you and your child had a great time investigating nutrition labels. If you did this activity at home, be sure to send a picture to this email right here, and GrowingGreat will send you one of our favorite books. Now, stay well, and I'll see you next time.